I feel like I have been droning on and on and on in my videos, so I'm trying something a little different today, and it would be great if you would tell me what you think. Thanks very much. It's episode 263. The title, To Math or Not to Math? And I'm blessed and grateful here on Debt End Street. Just for proof of concept, took the Dremel to this because the screws were sticking up too much, like I've talked about last time. Going to have to chamfer the bevels in a little bit deeper. That is what was keeping it from folding closed. Now it's closed slightly off, and unfortunately I can tell what I did there. And I thought I had it figured out after last time. You can probably see that's just a little bit out of line. Just a little bit out of line. That much, of course, the maths, when it's a slight off here, the longer it gets, the wider the margin is. Now, probably tinker with it a bit, but the main idea, I really thought I had it figured out from last time because that came together so well there. This is the right idea though, because that will essentially close shut. Maybe I could go just a little bit deeper with the router, but very, very, very close.